Okay, so one thing that's important to remember is that when InDesign has images, it does not actually place the images into the file. That what happens is that you have a preview of an image and then it is linked back to the original file. Here I have a template of InDesign, and you can see that there are a bunch of red question marks on these icons. That means that they're not linked properly. And so when I go to print them out, they will be low res and not look particularly attractive. If you look carefully, you can kind of see little white pixels around the EPS images, and that's going to print that way in real life, which isn't what we want. So in order to relink these, I'm going to go to Window, and I'm going to go to Links. And you'll see on the links palette that also we have these red question marks, which indicate that there's a problem. If you get a yellow triangle with an exclamation mark, that means that the file is not updated correctly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image. I'm going to go down to this link, this chain link, and it says relink. I'm going to click on it. It gives me this dialog box, which I hope you can see. I'm going to open up the links palette. I am looking for metals-01.eps. So I'm going to go down to here and I'm going to click open. It also has found other images in that folder that it can relink to, and I'm going to click OK. You'll notice that I still have some that are not linked properly. So I'm going to click on this image, O2. I'm going to click on the link. If I go here, I see that, let's see, by name. Interesting. I have no O2 images. So I'm going to need to go to search, secret code, underscore F 2020 dash O2.eps. That isn't right. What did I miss? O2 underscore metals dash O2.eps. And then I'm going to click open. And it found some more missing links. Click OK. And now everything is good. What I would recommend after doing this is, first of all, saving. And then I'm going to package this again. So, package. I'm going to go back to my desktop. I'm going to change the name to version 2. And I'm going to package it. Click OK. Again, I don't want to send fonts to somebody who hasn't paid for them, but I can send them to say, Staples or somebody to get something printed. Click OK. Now what I would do is I would close that, and I'll close this while I'm at it. And save. And I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Open. And I'm going to go to my desktop and secret code folder 2. Go to InDesign, Open. And all of those question marks are gone. And then I'm going to go to New Share, and I'm going to go to my desktop. Excuse me. And then I'm going to go to Finder, Desktop, Secret Code version 2. And I'm going to look in my links. And if I set it by name, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So everything is now in there and correct, and I'm good to go.